All right, so I invite you just to take a couple of deep breaths in with me, becoming fully present of our bodies, settling down into that space within us, breathing in to that joy and delight that lives within us. I invite you to close your eyes if that's comfortable for you, or at least cast your gaze downward so that you're not distracted. And in this holy moment, we breathe in to all the wonders that fill our lives, the wonder of life itself, the beauty that surrounds us in an ordinary day, the people that inspire us to wonder, those moments that take our breath away, as well as those moments that catch our breath. As we breathe into that spirit of curiosity within us, that spirit of wonder, we breathe into that presence that breathes us. And as we move into the quiet, we allow ourselves with each breath to be filled with joy, wonderment, the spirit of curiosity. As we move into the stillness. May you remember who you are. 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 You are love. You are light. You are a spark of the divine. You are love. You are light. You are a spark of the divine. May we remember who we are. 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 We are love. We are light. We are a spark of the divine. We are love. We are light. We are a spark of the divine. May we remember who you are. 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 You are love. You are light. You are the life in each of us. You are love. You are light. You are the life in each of us. Return your awareness back into your body, back into this place, time, and now. Take a deep breath in. And when you are ready, open your eyes in curiosity.